Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook seafood okra, but we call it in Nigeria okra. So we are cooking delicious seafood okra soup. So if it's your first time here, feel free and relax. This soup is so delicious that I want you to watch this video till the end. So let's start cooking. The first ingredient you're going to need is a fresh okra, or called okra, anyone. So I've chopped it with a knife, but I'm going to show you how to cut or chop your okra. So this okra has been washed off camera. So next I take a handful of it because it's easier to chop it a lot instead of doing it individually. So with a knife I just cut it. It's very easy to cut your okra depending on how you want to cut it. After cutting the okra, I keep it aside for use later. Next, I'm going to introduce you to the rest of the ingredients. Next, I have MAKRO fish, fresh MAKRO, Scotch bonnet chopped. I'm using a lot. Grinded crayfish. Next is chopped onion, smoked catfish, palm oil, very important ingredients. Next ingredients is fresh crab, wash and clean. Next up is mixed seafood. Here I have baby octopus, mussels and shrimp. I have my pot in a medium high. To that I'm adding palm oil. Very important ingredients, you need palm oil. Next I'm going to fry my fish. This is optional, you don't have to fry your fish, but I just want to fry my fish for that flavor. After frying the fish on one side for at least 8 minutes, once it's golden brown, next step is to flip over and continue frying. As I said before, you don't have to fry your fish, but it makes a whole lot of difference. And if you've not given this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up. It supports my channel and encourage YouTube to show my video the more. So thank you so much as you give this video a thumbs up and also leave your comment. Are you going to try this recipe or have you tried it before? So after frying the fish until it's golden brown, next I transfer it to a plate for use later. Look at this yumminess. Next, I add chopped onion to the palm oil, and the oil is rich in flavor because of the fish that I fry in the oil. So next I add scotch bonnet, but I did not add all of it. I'll tell you why I left the rest for later. So after frying the onion and the pepper for a couple of minutes, then I add the smoked catfish. So I'm making the base for the soup now. I add enough water, and the water I'm adding is hot water. After that, I add grinded crayfish. Then add salt. After that, I add seasoning cube 1, mix together to combine, then cover the pot and allow the smoked catfish to cook with all the ingredients that I added for at least 10 minutes. So what I said is I'm making the base for the soup because with this seafood okra, you don't need meat. So yeah, this is how I make my seafood okra. So cover the pot and allow it to boil for at least 10 minutes while I work on the okra. So here I have some of the okra that I divided. So because I want my okra soup to be slimy, that is why I'm blending some of it. You don't have to do this. This is optional. If you don't want your okra soup to be slimy, please do not blend it at all. So after blending, this is what it looks like. And this is a food processor, so it's not going to blend it smooth. So going back to our cooking pot. Look at this yummy. So now I'm adding the crab. Mix it together to combine. This soup is one delicious soup that I don't want you to miss. I'm telling you guys, it tastes so delicious. So I mix together to combine. I also cover the pot again and allow the crab to cook in that delicious rich sauce for at least 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, this is what our pot of soup is looking like. Yummy, yummy. At this point, you can add your blended okra. Then add the one that is not blended. As I said before, you don't have to blend your okra if you don't want your soup to be slimy. Mix together to combine. After mixing together until it's well combined, at this point you can now add whatever seafood you're using. Add it now because seafood cook really fast. Add your seasoning cube, then add more crayfish. Crayfish is what is going to give you that rich flavor. It's going to balance your soup. You can't cook any Nigerian local soup without crayfish. No, you no go get the taste nice. So mix together until it's well combined. At this point, I add the Scotch bonnet. Yes, the reason why I left the Scotch bonnet at this point is because I don't want it to melt in the soup. I want to see the Scotch bonnet in the soup because it's going to give it that color, that contrast. I don't know, Oyibo is too much. Cover the pot again and allow the soup to cook for 10 minutes. And this is 10 minutes later. The aroma, the smell, the color, it is so inviting. It is delicious. I mix together to combine. Guys, this soup is one soup that will not fail you. So now I'm adding the fried fish because I don't want the fish to break. That's why I'm adding it at the end of the cooking. It's time to taste the soup. After tasting the soup, I realized I needed to add some salt. After adding the salt, I mix together to combine. After that, I cover the pot and allow the okra soup to cook for at least 5 minutes. As soon as you add your okra, please do not overcook it. You don't want to cook your okra for more than 10 to 15 minutes. So I cover the pot and allow it to cook for at least 5 minutes. So this is 5 minutes later and our okra soup is ready. We'll cook this together, guys. We'll cook this together and this okra soup tastes delicious. It was so tasty. I gave some to some of my friends and they were like, wow, this is so delicious. Try this recipe, and if you do, let me know on YouTube. So this is how to cook seafood okra. Seafood delicious okra. I hope you go out there and get your ingredients and cook this soup. And if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave your comment, share with your friends and family. I love you all and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.